a 16 count beginner level 1 combo because really there's only 2 moves in this combo. You need to know the Polly Pocket and a slight variation, and you need to know the Miami step and a slight variation. But otherwise, it's incredibly symmetrical and pretty easy to move from one move to the next. So let's get to it. Okay, this is 16 counts in total, but I'm going to break it up into sequences of 4. So we're just going to start with 2 single Polly Pockets and 1 double Polly Pocket. So that's going to be and 1 and 2 and then for this double, we're going to start left, 3, we're going to pop right, and then right foot goes back out again, 4 and. Now we're on a right perch, we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. 2 single Polly Pockets, 1 double Polly Pocket. So that's going to be and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay, so that whole first 8 count. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay, and then the next 8 count is going to be kind of exactly the same thing, but instead of Polly Pockets, we're going to do Miami steps. So it's going to be 2 singles followed by a double, 2 singles followed by a double. Only I have a slight variation. We're actually going to do kind of a wider cross behind on the second half of the double. So watch my footwork on this. So back to the left perch coming off of the Polly Pockets, and 1 and 2 and now the double, 3, return to right perch, and 4 and. So I'm just kind of crossing it a little bit further back on that. And it actually looks really cool when you're doing it kind of fast. Okay, then from here, it's the same thing on the other side. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Okay, so just that second combo coming off the Polly Pockets. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. And now we're back on a left perch. We can begin the entire combo again. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. I'm going to count the whole thing out and go a little bit faster from the very beginning with the Polly Pockets. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're back to a perch. We can repeat the combo. Okay, and I'm going to do it one more time with the music, but I'm going to drop the tempo down to 80%. Okay, that's the whole combo. Remember, this is a really energy-intense combo, so you will for sure be a little bit winded afterwards. But I hope you like it. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.